Hi everyone. Here I've come to tell you that Breach Candy Hospital Trust Mumbai is organizing the first online CME on quality and accreditation in clinical laboratories. Technical assessors from NABL would come and tell their experiences in the field of biochemistry, microbiology, histopathology, clinical pathology, and pathology. If you want, you can also join in, and the details are as given, or you could also DM me to know more about it. The CME is on 19th and 20th January at the afternoon timings, Indian Standard Timings, 2 to 4:30 p.m. Maharashtra Medical Council points are requested for. Thank you.